And here's one of the nastiest pieces of trash. Can we see the best before date?
Yeah, 2010.
2010. So that's not the kind of fish you want here in the river at a nature reserve. Welcome back to another cleanup. We are here in this beautiful nature reserve, and today we're walking a couple of kilometers through the river downstream to pick up all the trash that we can see. And here's already the first piece of trash. This traffic thing.
First piece of trash, traffic sign,
Yeah.
warning sign.
And here we got a soda can and candy wrappers inside. As always, the plastic sheet tangled up here on the bank. And there's even more here.
Thank you.
Cigarettes.
Okay.
More wrappers. And more plastic sheet fragments. Yeah.
Yeah. Almost.
Again, the plastic sheet fragments. And I think this is duct tape. Yeah, duct tape. I think it's a dog poop bag. An old mask. Some kind of plastic thing.
Another piece of plastic.
You can also see how high the water is in the winter.
Yeah, it's really high.
Yeah. Great effort.
And the last part.
And it's gone.
And it's gone.
All in the bag. There's another piece in the bushes here.
There it is. It is stuck under a root,
Oh,
but it will come.
yeah.
With
There we go.
With some patience, you will get it. We got another label or something.
Mm-hmm. There we go.
There we go.
Beautiful. Just like this nature reserve.
That's a big
More
piece.
plastic sheets from the farming activity here. Oh, sorry.
Ah, no problem.
What's that? Well, I have no idea, but it looks very disgusting.
Let's get
There's
rid
a
of it.
zipper.
It's quite heavy.
Yeah. More plastic sheet, more plastic sheet, more plastic sheet. And that's it. That's just a brick. Alright. And here's one of the nastiest pieces of trash, chain link fence. They're usually already grown into the surrounding stuff here and very, very hard to remove. We'll try, but can't promise anything.
I don't think we will get it out without any tools.
No.
Completely stuck.
And buried into the ground and the roots and everything.
Yeah, yeah. Look at this mess. brambles already growing through the tree mesh there. It's very terrible. I've got the cutting tool here. We'll try to get at least a piece out so it's less bad, but yeah, everything is not possible, unfortunately.
Can try to
Yeah.
eliminate some parts.
This is terrible. Okay, this is free now. Let's see if that helps. We already made a bit of progress, but it's such a huge piece. It's stuck in so many places. We're still working on it. Remco's making very good progress over here. It's there's so many branches that go through the wire mesh here. It's really terrible. But I think we might be able to get it out now that we've cut so many branches here. Oh yes, oh yes. Brambles loose. That's good progress.
This part, we need to get rid of this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we pull it slowly, I think it will come now.
Okay. It's coming out very, very slowly, but it's coming out.
Yeah, that was a good one. I think we got it.
One last pull, come on! Ah,
Just a second.
you got it. Holy shit.
Let's cut this root and then
Yeah.
it's out.
There we go!
Yeah.
It's free. Look at this monstrosity here. That took like half an hour to get this out. What a terrible, terrible piece of trash. One of the worst ones to remove.
We found some plastics again.
Yeah,
And
that was to be expected.
there's still very little in here in the bank,
Yeah,
but we will get that out as well. The last part.
Mhm.
It's hard work, but it's for a good purpose.
Yeah.
We can put it in the bag.
This one saved the day. It's all out. Remco's getting out the last wire pieces there and plastic fragments, but yeah.
Ah, here, yeah. Last part of it. Some plastic again.
Yeah. Very nice. I was a bit worried at the start that we might not get it
Yeah.
out, but we did it.
It looked really hard, and it
Yeah.
was.
That's
But
right.
we managed. We managed to do it.
Yeah. Okay, taking it back to the start, because moving it through the river is a bit easier than pulling it alongside the banks there, which are really overgrown. So, yeah. This is so hard to pull against the current. There we go. There it is. That was so hard pulling that against the current. Very, very difficult. I know it's getting repetitive, but yet again there's more plastic sheet, and think this is part of the sleeping bag or blanket I found 2 cleanups ago. It's very similar. It's always already fragile and brittle. What did I just say? Plastic sheet alongside the banks, taking it up? That can't be the case, right? I think this one's ripe yet. You can pick it.
Wir haben es.
Perfect. Okay, let's. Oh, jetzt wird's richtig tief. As you can see, this is a very deep spot here. Very challenging. And there's more trash. I just saw something orange, and that's not a very typical color here. What's that? I think it's part of a toy.
Plastic bag. That's another part of it.
Interesting.
Looks like
Metal
it.
thing.
Yeah, it's a metal thing, an old bottle or something.
Yeah. Piece of plywood. That's not natural, that's wood with a lot of glue, so yeah, I'm taking that. What you got there?
Piece of wire fence.
Plastic bag.
Yeah.
Ah, can we see the best before date?
Yeah, 2010.
2010, 14 years.
14 years.
At least 14 years.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really bad. And here's another wire. Some kind of old fabric. The cover of a thermostat. Oh, and we got a hole.
Got a big puncher.
So that's not the kind of fish you want here in the river at a nature reserve.
Piece of cloth.
Two old buckets.
Yeah. There we go. There it goes.
Yeah.
One rusty bucket. And here we got another one. That's a pan.
Perfect. That's a big one. What is that? Okay. Another huge chunk. Hopefully the last for today, because here's the dam from the last video. Still very clean, fortunately. And here's a small bag hanging in the tree here. No, it's not a bag. It's a mask. It's an old mask.
Oh, okay.
Isn't that beautiful? There's a bottle. Could have been new. Could have missed that the last time. Styrofoam. And I think there's another bottle.
Plastic cover.
Yeah.
Some isolation material.
but besides that, looking pretty good. Our bag ripped on arrival and we got a lot of other stuff too, so yeah, I'll open a new bag and put everything in there. We're also getting out the trash from my last cleanup here at the dam. I couldn't carry everything alone, so we're doing it together now. Alright, now it's time for the river crossing so we can get all the trash over there to the next road. So yeah, let's go.